Pretty much just got back. Got the canoe there. I was standing out there. I'm like, give her a couple casts. Second cast. Caught this chunk, like a pound. Heavy fish. Nice little gut on them. Right off of where I put my canoe. It's a decent fish. Nice smallmouth bass. I'm gonna put him back. Oh, there he goes. Oh, nice bass. So pretty much just getting back. It's really nice. Quite the day for fishing. I didn't think I was gonna get anything because yesterday was so poor. But yeah, I'm gonna go back, and thanks for watching. Smallmouth fishing out on the lake. More to come. Just kind of cleaning up the camera here. There we go. Yep, smallmouth fishing out on the lake. Thanks for watching. Woodsman 500. Stay tuned, more videos are on the way.